specifically about what is new in Done For You Suite 2.0. Okay, so to show you exactly what changes we've made, I'm going to come up here to create campaign, and I'm going to walk you through what we've done differently. Okay, now the first big thing that we have done is we've doubled the sites and we've doubled our authority, which pretty much doubles the ranking power that you get access to with Done For You Suite. So in 1.0, you were able to, depending on which package you purchased, you were able to build either between up to 100 links per URL that you submit, or up to 250 links per URL for every URL that you submitted, depending on which package you decided to go with. Okay, if you go with our agency package, you had the ability to build up to 250 links. Okay, if you went to our agency, and 100 on the front end. Now with 2.0, you'll be able to build up to 200 links per URL that you submit on the front end. And if you pick up our agency plus upgrade, which is upgrade number 1, you'll be able to extend this all the way up to 500. Okay, and of course you do get the option to choose at 25 link increments as well. So depending on the competition that you're targeting, you'll always be able to choose at 25 link increments. Okay, so if you purchase our agency license now, again, you'll be able to build up to 200 links per URL that you submit. And if you purchase our upgrade number 1, you'll be able to increase that to 500. So that is upgrade. That is feature 2.0 number 1. We've also doubled the platforms that we have that we syndicate your content on. So before we had social syndication and wiki syndication, and now we have added blogging syndication and also web 2.0 syndication. Okay, so that doesn't show up here obviously because we handle all of that in the background. So now we are syndicating to 4 different types of sites for you, which pretty much doubles the variation, and it pretty much dramatically increases your rankings as well, because now you have a good variation of links that we are building. Okay, so that is the update number 2. 2.0 update number 3 is also the ability to embed your YouTube videos across our network as well. Now, if you've done any sort of video marketing or video ranking, you know that getting your video embedded across multiple different sites is one of the secrets that many video marketers use to get some fast rankings. Okay, it's not just about getting backlinks to your videos, it's also about getting those videos embedded on different sites. So now we are doing that for you as well, and all you have to do is just supply your YouTube URL and we will take it from there. We will embed your video on our network of Web 2.0, WordPress, and wiki sites as well. Okay, and you'll be getting hundreds of video embeds, which will skyrocket your rankings on both Google and YouTube. Okay, that is upgrade 2.0 number 3. And upgrade number 4 is we've also put in here a full breakdown of our network. Okay, so if I open that in a new tab, one of the biggest concerns that our customers always get is, are you actually performing quality syndication for our content? So what we decided to do is to post in here an entire breakdown of the domain authority, page authority, and TLDs that we use in our network, so that you can feel comfortable and so that you can know exactly the amount of firepower that you have at your fingertips with Done For You Suite. Okay, so now this will constantly be updated with anytime we add new sites, but you'll always know exactly the amount of firepower that you have with Done For You Suite. And again, this breaks down everything that we have, and if you hover over any of them, you'll see how many sites are packing that amount of domain authority and page authority as well. Okay, so we wanted to put that in there for you as well, since again, we always know that's a big concern if we are actually providing quality syndication. So now you can check for yourself at any time inside of the network info page. So that is upgrade number 4. Update number 5 is the fact that we've totally revamped our content generation system. Okay, so with Done For You Suite, we also handle your content generation that goes along with the syndication that we're doing for you. So you have the option for us to automatically generate that content for you, or you can turn it off and supply your content. But what we've done is we've dramatically improved and totally revamped the content generation system that we have built into Done For You Suite, so that we are providing a lot more relevant content that goes along with your syndication, so that it can also, again, give you better results. Okay, so that's update feature number 5. And also, we've done a ton of other behind the scene tweaks that we've made to our overall system to ensure that we have the best, the fastest, and the most effective Done For You syndication system on the planet. Okay, and these are the little improvements like upgrading our overall server for maximum speed of your submissions, improving our campaign processing system to ensure that we complete your campaigns on time, a much more improved campaign reporting and downloading system in case you're providing reports to your clients, and much more. And one thing that we will be announcing as well is the ability for you to use sub users. Okay, so this will be an additional bonus that we are going to be providing for all of you that pick up the agency license. You will be able to start giving sub access to your VAs or anyone that helps you submit campaigns, and at that point you will truly be able to eliminate yourself from the process of even submitting campaigns and have your syndication completely hands off. Okay, and you'll be able to hire someone to do this for you so you can focus on other things. Okay, so Done For You Suite 2.0, we've made it a whole lot better, as you can see by this video. Plus, the value and the offer and the bonuses that we are offering right now is an incredible value in and of itself. So make sure you click the link below or click the buy button and get access to Done For You Suite today.